Whether you're riding professionally or just on a ride out in the town, one of the last things you want to happen is for your seat post or your handlebars to start slipping down. Okay, and today I'm going to talk about a product, CHEPARK Anti-Slip Cream, over here, and this can help to stop that slide of any moving parts of your bike. Now I'm going to show you on the seat post here. I've already removed the seat post from the bike and I put a bit of tape around just so we can get it back into position once we are done. Now you can see there are a few scratches on the seat post here, and so we're going to use our CHEPARK scratch remover. Here we go. Just going to shake this up. Put a few squirts on to the seat post, the bit that goes inside the bike, and just wipe that off there, and we can see both sides. Some of the scratches are coming off very, very easily. Now next, we're going to use our anti-slip cream here. Again, just going to apply a very little bit just underneath our tape mark, like so. And then you can use your finger or some kind of applicator to just go around there, the part that's going to lock into the bike. Okay, and there we go. Now the great thing about this anti-slip cream is that it has a special oil inside, and that helps it to slide in without too much bother. There we go, it goes in very, very easily. But as I tighten it, then those beads that are inside with the cream will start to cause some friction inside and stop the seat post from moving. There we go, you can hear the beads clicking away there. Okay, and like I said, we can use this on our seat post, we can use this on our handlebars, any kind of alloy or carbon fiber that might be on your bike, anything that needs to move. And yeah, so we did this using scratch remover and CHEPARK anti-slip cream.